Turning your engine AJ459. Turning good, all compressions complete. The front engine looks good, as you can see, no damage, no broken. Compressor looks good, no damage, no broken. Socket looks good, as you can see. Altimeter look as well, no damage, no broken. Socket looks good. And on the Z side, engines looks good, all nice. Gearbox look as well, as you can see. Starter looks good, no damage. And on the Z side, engines looks good, no damage, no broken. On the top, as you can see, engines looks good, socket looks good. All connectors looks good. And on the bottom, no cracks, no damage, no leaks, all nice, all good. I'm turning your engine AJ459.